Today, I'll show you how to adjust audio volume in your timeline using audio levels and waveforms. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to quickly turn your sound up or down in a controlled, precise way, and how to preview it so it feels just right in your project. First, make sure you've got your audio clip clearly visible in your timeline. This might be dialogue, music, sound effects, or any other sound you're working with. Start by selecting the audio layer you want to adjust. If you have multiple audio tracks, take a moment to confirm you're clicking the correct one so you don't accidentally change something else. With the audio layer selected, you'll use a simple shortcut to reveal its key audio properties. Press the L key on your keyboard twice in quick succession. That's L. This opens up the audio waveform or audio levels for the selected layer. If nothing appears, just make sure the layer is still selected and try pressing L twice again. Now that the audio properties are visible, look for the one labeled audio levels. This is the control that determines how loud or soft that clip will play back. The value is measured in decibels or dB. A value of 0 dB represents the original recorded level of your audio. Anything below 0 dB will make it quieter, and anything above 0 dB will make it louder. In most cases, when you're trying to tame a sound that's a bit too intense, you'll be lowering this value. Click on the audio levels value so you can edit it. To reduce the volume, type in a number lower than 0 dB, such as -10 dB or -20 dB. A change of about -10 dB is usually a noticeable but not extreme reduction, while -20 dB will make the clip much softer. You can always fine-tune this later, so don't worry about getting the perfect value on your first try. After setting your initial level, it's important to listen to how it actually sounds in context, play back your timeline, and preview the audio. Pay attention to how the volume sits compared to other elements like voiceover, background music, or sound effects. If it still feels too loud, pause playback, lower the audio levels a bit more, and preview again. If it feels too quiet, bring the level closer to 0 dB and listen once more. Repeat this simple process of adjusting and previewing until the volume feels balanced and comfortable. When you're happy with how it sounds, you're done. You've successfully adjusted the volume of your audio